How are you?
Hi, hi, hi.
Hi.
You look
What's
exactly like
happening?
you looked 5 minutes back. How's it
Oh,
going?
how cool is that? I haven't aged a bit.
Guys, this is Saloni Khan. Big round of applause. Pretty
Hi,
good.
everyone.
Got a lot of people joining in. Hi, guys.
Varun, how are
Hanji.
you?
Hey.
मैंने वरुण को आज तक कुर्ता पहने नहीं देखा. This is the first time.
He's saying all my cocktail videos are in this group.
Please.
Good
This
stuff.
is your
He's got about
special attire for the evening.
dozen special. Yeah. मैं वो कवाली वाली टोपी भी पहनने वाला था, but I just thought I'd be overdoing things.
अरे पहन लेनी चाहिए थी यार. I'm sure people would have
I
enjoyed
might just
watching.
run and get it बीच में कहीं. You got 42 odd people. Let's just wait for a couple of more people to join us.
Yeah, just
Talk.
let's see who all are
Cool.
there. Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining us.
Guys, welcome to Kuch Nazme. That's the name of the session. Are we audible? Is everything good? Can you hear
Yeah,
me?
please
Hear you.
send. I can hear you. I hope you can hear me. And if all of you can hear us, please send a thumbs up so we know that there's no technical difficulty that we are facing and we can start.
Awesome. I think we're good to go.
We're good to go.
Yeah. Urvashi is here. Urvashi was
Hi,
also part.
Urvazi.
She did a couple of nazms yesterday, which they
Some beautiful nazms, huh? I think she read from a book called Hey You, and I really enjoyed that, Urvazi. Thank you for sharing that with us yesterday. Urvazi has also we've worked with Urvazi. We know her. She's a fellow actor, and she's just the cutest person alive.
play together, right? Street Car named
Yes, we
Desire.
did. Yes, we did, and we do that play together quite often. And hopefully, after the lockdown, we'll be doing it again, where she plays my sister, little sister. And I feel like that about her in general also. Feel like she's my little sister.
Awesome. Let's
Chalo,
get started, guys. So,
बिल्कुल,
है ना? Shall we?
बिल्कुल.
I was just
तो
thinking, I just wanted to like clear what a nazm is for everybody because
मैं अभी यही
मतलब
पूछने वाली थी कि वरुण बिफोर वी स्टार्ट आप एटलीस्ट
हाँ,
हमें ये तो बताइए कि नज़म होता क्या है या नज़में
मैं आपको
होती क्या
बिल्कुल
है.
बताता हूँ. Let's not talk like this, but yeah. Okay. So, guys, very quickly, I'll just try and tell you what a nazm is. Nazm क्या है? It's a sort of a storytelling. It's a form of Urdu poetry. इसमें शायरी नहीं होती है, इसमें beats होती हैं. Beats क्या होती हैं? तारा 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 तारा. तो beats होती हैं, इसमें rhyme scheme भी होती है. Now, the most important thing is that when a shair is writing a nazm, he will only and only talk about one thought, which is not the case in a ghazal. Maybe a ghazal, he can talk about a cheeseburger, he can talk about Bombay, he can talk about his puff. But if he's writing a nazm, he's going to talk about only that cheeseburger. Correct?
One thought. One
One
thought.
thought. So that's that. Now, when Mayank got in touch with us, I remember we called up each other and we were like, dude, what the hell? What is this?
हाँ,
And
करना
we
क्या है?
Googled it. करना क्या? And
Although both of us, I think we have been writing and reading poetry, and we're both enthusiasts actually. But somehow, I do a lot of English poetry reading, you know, and I'm not accustomed to reading poetry in Urdu or Hindi. And thanks to Mayank's initiative, I read so much content in this 1 week, and I'm so mesmerized by the stuff I found online. It's
so much.
amazing.
Right.
It is just brilliant, you know.
There's a website there for everybody who's interested, and I'm sure people who've joined this are interested in nazms and ghazals and shairi. Rekhta is a website. You'll find a lot of content there, guys. So,
तो
without
एक
further ado,
करेक्ट मैं आप सबको ये बताना चाहती हूँ that there's one nazm that Varun has written himself
Ustad
after
Varun,
we
you have to वैसे कान पकड़ के
उस्ताद वरुण तिवारी जी ने खुद लिखी है एक नज्म आप सबको समझाने के लिए कि नज्म एक्चुअली होता क्या है एंड आई एम श्योर इसके बाद आपको अच्छे से समझ आ जाएगा एंड आई थिंक विदाउट फर्दर अड्यू यू शुड जस्ट
hopefully.
रीड इट टू अस.
And it's 2 days old, guys. When this thing came on to us, I heard a lot of shayars and a lot of writers. Kaifi Azmi ji, Gulzar Saab, Javed Saab, Nazir Akbarabadi,
Akbarabadi ji, correct.
reciting in
He's
Nazim
also known as the father of. He's known as the
of Nazim.
father of Nazms.
Right. So when I was hearing this, I just got into the groove somehow, and I said, why not give it a shot, right? So this is my first nazm, guys, and I'll hopefully explain to you what a nazm is. और इसका नाम है नज़्म नज़्म, नज़्म की नज़्म. Alright, here goes, guys. मैं गाता हूँ, गुनगुनाता हूँ, थोड़ा बहुत टुनटुना भी बजाता हूँ.
क्या बात है.
पश्चिम में कम, गजलों में ज्यादा समय बिताता हूँ. And people who know me would know this. मैं अंग्रेजी गाने नहीं सुनता हूँ ज़्यादा. I listen to
Correct.
Bollywood music, slow Sufi music. तो पश्चिम में कम, गजलों में ज्यादा समय बिताता हूँ. उर्दू अरबी से कोई नाता जरूर होगा, क्योंकि जब भी इसे सुनता हूँ बोलना चाहता हूँ. सुना है बड़ी ही साफ और शायराना जुबान है. तो नज्म क्या है, नज्म में ही समझाता हूँ. ये गजल नहीं है, कविता नहीं है, शायरी भी नहीं है, गीत नहीं, मुक्तक नहीं, दोहा नहीं.
क्या बात है.
नज्म, नज्म नर्म है, ये सख्त भी है. हिमालय की ठंडी बर्फ रेगिस्तान की रेत जैसी गर्म भी है. तुम जो चाहो ये वो है. सुरीली पर बेताल, जंगली घोड़े पर लगी नाल, गंजे के सर पर बाल, पेड़ बिना दाल, हरे जैसा लाल, बंदर जैसी चाल, इस साल जैसा साल, मनाली जैसा माल.
वाह 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 वाह.
तुम जो सुन रहे हो, मैं जो कह रहा हूँ, जो तुम सोच रहे हो और जो मैं कहना चाहता हूँ, ये सब नज्म है. बिना कहे जो बात समझ आ जाए नज्म वो है. दिल टूटने में जो चुभन है नज्म वो है. माँ की
क्या बात
ममता
है.
में जो पाकीज़ियत है नज्म वो है. हमारे बीच में जो अभी फासला है, इन फासलों में जो नजदीकियां है नज्म वो है.
क्या बात है.
नज्म ये सब है और नज्म कुछ भी नहीं. Thank you very much, guys.
वाह 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 वाह. Come back. That was brilliant, Tiwari.
Thank you.
That
Thank
was brilliant. I know you write and I've read a lot of stuff that you write. पर मैंने कभी ऐसी
I
पोएट्री
know.
या नज्म तो आपसे
But
नहीं
she
सुनी.
fell in love with me again when she
Correct.
heard me say this. She's like, "Oh my God!" I was like, "Yeah, man."
I'm sure. I'm sure. This is brilliant. And for those who know Varun and those who don't know Varun, Varun एक बहुत ही amazing actor है. And he was one of the first people I met in Bombay when I moved and
He
worked
did
within Bombay. Yes, and
our first play, in fact, that Mikhail
our
Kanto
first play, both our yeah, we featured, we debuted in our in a play together, and तब से I know him, and he writes brilliantly, as you all heard, and he's also a brilliant singer.
He's being
I'm
modest.
sure.
पैसे आपको भिजवा दूंगा कल for this. Thank you very much for the Priya.
नहीं, but क्या
Guys,
लिखा है Varun? I'm impressed, and I'm
Just
sure a lot of people are. वाह 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 आए रहे हैं
wow, wow,
आपके
wow,
लिए.
wow. Next performance by Seth Ji. So there's a dog in our colony, and उसका नाम Seth Ji है, and we just go on and on about it. Anyway.
Brilliant. Aditi is saying that she thought we met at the disco rehearsal. There's another, we're working together on another project soon that's called Disco Dancer, and our friend from the
go on floor, but Corona hit us.
yeah. But we'll come back dancing and singing
Stronger.
again.
And
Back to
more flexible.
Nazam's.
Back to
So
Nazam.
that was beautiful. That was beautiful, Varun. And जैसे मैंने कहा, both of us are actors. And while we were reading Nazm's All Right, and I mean, it was so difficult to pick, Nazms to just read out for you, because obviously we have limited time. So I would recommend आप please जाके और पढ़िए after this session, because they're just beautiful. But since both of us are actors, there was this one Nazm that
There's
actually
a lot of
touched
actors,
our hearts.
mutual friends, and a lot of actors joining us, and there are 2 actors taking over from us in the next session. So
In the next session. So this one, for all the actors or artists or the creative people out there, when we read this to you, I'm sure you're going to relate to this 100%. है ना, Varun? Don't you think
Yeah,
so? It
absolutely.
was just the most beautiful piece of writing.
मैं तो frame कराने वाला हूँ घर में for sure.
I actually thought the same thing when you read this out to me. Varun found it and he read it out to me. I was like, ये तो मुझे ऐसी जगह लगानी जहाँ मैं रोज उठ के देख पाऊँ. And इसका नाम है अदाकार, and ये गुलजार साहब ने लिखी थी for Nasiruddin Shah. So 2 of the greatest people in their fields are involved in this piece of art. So you can imagine how beautiful it will be, right?
Let's hope we read it nicely. Let's go.
We'll try. Chalo,
So,
should I read it?
Yeah.
Should I read some lines from it? अदाकार. एक अदाकार हूं मैं अदाकार हूं ना. जीनी पड़ती है कई जिंदगियां एक हयाती में मुझे, हयाती यानी लाइफ टाइम। जीनी पड़ती है कई जिंदगियां एक हयाती में मुझे, मेरा किरदार बदल जाता है हर रोज नई सीट पर। मेरे हालात बदल जाते हैं, मेरा चेहरा भी बदल जाता है अफसाना और मंजर के मुताबिक। अफसाना और मंजर यानी स्क्रिप्ट एंड सीन। मेरा चेहरा भी बदल जाता है अफसाना और मंजर के मुताबिक। मेरी आदत बदल जाती है और फिर दाग नहीं छूटते पहनी हुई पोशाक के। खस्ता किरदारों का कुछ चूरा सा रह जाता है तह में। हाय, खस्ता यानी वुंडेड और इंजर्ड किरदारों का कुछ, खस्ता किरदारों का कुछ चूरा सा रह जाता है तह में, सोल में।
कोई नोकीला सा किरदार गुजरता है रगों से तो खराशों के निशान देर तलक रहते हैं दिल पे। जिंदगी से ये उठाए हुए किरदार ख्याली भी नहीं है कि उतर जाए वो पंखे की हवा से। स्याही रह जाती है सीने में अदीबों के लिखे जुमलों की, सीमी पर्दे पे लिखी।
क्या बात
अदीबों
है।
जुमला सेंटेंसेस, सीने पर्दे सिल्वर स्क्रीन। सो स्याही रह जाती है सीने में अदीबों के लिखे जुमलों की, सीमी पर्दे पे लिखी। सांस लेती हुई तहरीर नजर आता हूँ। तहरीर इज डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, सो आई ब्रीथ
हाय,
लाइफ इनटू अ कैरेक्टर। सांस लेती हुई तहरीर नजर आता हूँ। मैं अदाकार हूँ लेकिन अदाकार ही नहीं, वक्त की तस्वीर भी हूँ। I'm also the reflection of the society, which is what I think every artist should be very responsible. Uh,
because
when
their art is a reflection of the society, their work is a reflection of the time that we live in or the time that has passed, and every line of this Nazam is just so relatable,
bang on,
you know.
so bang.
It's
Tell
one
me,
of the most beautiful.
tell me some of your favorite Nasiruddin Shah films, and even you guys who are watching can like write a few best favorite performances.
Please do. So many. I love A Wednesday. I love Ded Ishqiyan. I love him as an actor in general, and I'm sure everybody who's seen his work does. एंड गुलजार साहब की तो बात ही अलग है। मैंने जब उनकी कुछ नज़में सुनी यूट्यूब पे तो उनकी आवाज ही इतनी, मतलब जब वो पढ़ते हैं और जब हम पढ़ते हैं जमीन आसमान का डिफरेंस है।
And
जब
I've
वो
heard,
पढ़ते हैं तो मेरे को गूज़बम्प्स आ गए थे।
I swear, and I've
You
heard
know, it's
someone like he's a very soft-spoken person. Like you will not be able to hear him. You have to really be like वो बहुत धीरे बोलते हैं, but when he's reading his poetry, his शायरी, बुलंद आवाज, such a baritone and all that, it's beautiful.
correct. Wednesday is apparently, see, it's quite a favorite. A lot of people, Niharika is saying it's her favorite. Mayank agrees with us. Waiting
I
Room.
I don't know how many people have seen Bombay Boys. You guys should see Bombay Boys. It's on YouTube. It didn't do too well when it came out. It's got Luke Kenny, it's got Rahul Bose, and it's got Nasir Saab playing a gangster, like a B-grade.
Ah,
Oh my god.
I
What a
haven't
film.
seen it. Masoom is one of his most famous films, yes, and I am guilty that I haven't seen it. I have to watch it. We must. It's a classic. It's a classic, no? हाँ, गाने तो बड़े प्यारे हैं, वो सुने हैं, but फिल्म नहीं देखी।
Chamatkar is my favorite.
Chamatkar is such a
The
cute
shot.
film.
Yeah.
Isn't Chamatkar the one in which he's a ghost?
The Ghost, yeah.
Oh, what a beautiful film. And it's such an entertaining film.
Yeah.
No? But
Urmila
this,
I don't know. You watch that later.
I can't remember.
I think
But
so.
I remember
I think
this, I remember the story of the film, and it was such a beautiful one. And so is this Nazam that we just read.
Shri Tiwari. That was Adakar for you guys. Which is the next one you want to read, Sal?
I think there is actually, you know what, since we are on Gulzar Sahab's Nazam, I read this one more that he wrote, and it's called Adat. And we all have Adate, and we're all bound by our habits. And then I was reading it, I was like, तो मैं सीधा बिना कुछ कहे ये पढ़ देती हूँ। It's called आदतें। सांस लेना भी कैसी आदत है, जिए जाना भी क्या रिवायत है। कोई आहट नहीं बदन में कहीं, कोई साया नहीं है आंखों में। पाँव बेहिस हैं, चलते जाते हैं। एक सफर है जो बहता रहता है। कितने बरसों से, कितनी सदियों से जिए जाते हैं, जिए जाते हैं। आदतें भी अजीब होती हैं, सांस लेना भी कैसी आदत है.
Beautiful.
It's a
And it's so apt
beautiful.
in today's days, right? Like with the lockdown, everybody's talking about new habits and stuff that they are coming up with to
Correct.
keep people busy and tackle these times.
Correct. Correct.
But
And correct. This is like I can read it over and over and over again. And every time, every time you read these nazms, also now you find new meaning in them.
true,
Don't you
true.
agree? कुछ ना
Yeah.
कुछ ऐसा आपको मिलता है जो आपने पहले शायद देखा नहीं या सोचा नहीं. And the best part is poetry makes you think.
Mm-hmm.
Every line makes you think, and you realize so much just by
Everybody
reading
has an
some.
interpretation to it, their own, the way they perceive it.
Exactly. Exactly.
That's the
And where
beauty of it.
you're at, and what stage of life you're at, what age you are, how much experiences you've had, you will interpret poetry. If you read I think the same piece of poetry 10 years from now,
Yeah,
you'll.
definitely, definitely.
And that's the power of words. And it is just so beautiful that they're immortal. You can just, they're immortal. They'll pass on from generations to generations and mean something different or might mean the same thing. And I'm just so touched.
You know,
Yeah.
I see that.
So that was आदतें. एंड
Sweet.
आदतों से एक और आदत मुझे तुम्हारी याद आई कि वरुण हैज एन आदत ऑफ ऑलवेज बीइंग लेट.
What? I started this.
Always late.
What?
This might be the first time he started an online video or
Even
reached
now,
somewhere of time.
even now, my dad came from the other room and he's like, "Beta, beta, ho gaya. You need to go." I said, "Oh, okay, okay."
Niharika
But
has
yeah,
written poetry, hits the chords of your heart. Unexplainable how such great poets pen down things we just feel. Correct.
truly.
This is
So,
absolutely, yeah,
ma'am, please
it's
upload this on
beautiful.
your Insta account. Ma'am, please upload this on your Insta account.
All of our whatever we are reading here right now will be available for you guys to hear again on Mayank Baba Casting Co's Instagram page, and I'm sure me and Varun will also be posting it on our pages so that they're available for a read.
Right?
So, no, Niharika, please don't talk about my habits. We are only going to talk about Varun's habits here, and we're talking about Varun's habit of being
Some good
late.
habits which you picked up in this lockdown.
Good habits I've picked up in the lockdown. I've started getting up on time, yeah, which was a struggle for me. And lockdown has made me get up early, sleep on time, which is strange. I've picked up a lot of new things that I'm doing, and Nazms has to be one of them. Thank you, Mayank, for introducing me to poetry in Urdu, because this is something मैंने पढ़ी है, but ऐसे नहीं. और अब मैं रोज 2 या 3 तो पढ़ती हूँ. I've ordered some books also that I'm going to read. And there are websites. There's a website called Kavita Kosh. Rekha to hai. There's a website called Kavita Kosh that my friend Kashyap told me about, and I've been reading online. And you guys
Big
must
shout out to
too.
Kashyap. I just remembered.
What? What? Say that again.
Big shout out to Kashyap. I just remembered. What's up? If he's
Uh,
watching.
I don't know if he's here, but yeah. So yes, we should read another one. I feel I'm
Let's
just in a
go.
mood to. Yeah, we should just.
Gone, gone, gone. What's the next one you want to read?
So I think we should read since
Hamesha.
we're talking about.
Yeah? Regrets? हमेशा देर कर देता हूँ. No, wait. How about you go with Aadmi Nama?
Actually, why not? Yeah, I think I should read
Yeah?
Aadmi Nama.
Go for that.
Aadmi Nama. But let's do Hamesha Der Kar Deta Hu Main. Let's do that.
No.
Then we'll come to
Cool.
Aadmi Nama. Because before I recite Aadmi Nama, there's just something I need to talk about, and I think it'll just become more
Yeah.
serious. So
I feel you,
let's
yeah.
read.
So,
So,
before we read हमेशा देर कर
हाँ.
देता हूँ मैं, I'll just lighten up things a little bit. Guys, think of the hottest girl, the hottest guy you've ever wanted to be with. You had a crush on, or a relation, or a failed relationship, which you look back on, you're like, I wish it would have worked out, sort of a thing. उसको याद करो, उसको दिमाग में रखो, and now listen to these lines. This is by Munir Niazi ji, and at the cost of losing a few viewers right now, you guys must, and I'm urging everybody to go onto YouTube and listen to the original video by Munir Niazi ji of Hamesha Der Kar Deta Hu Main, because every word he says is visible in his eyes. There are women in the crowd who are bawling and crying, kya bol diya hai? That kind of a thing. And it's a beautiful piece. So, हमेशा देर कर देता हूँ मैं.
Varun, for me, this is, I mean, I dedicate this to you.
So thanks man. हमेशा देर कर देता हूँ मैं. Thanks. I'll be back in like 5.
हमेशा देर कर देता हूँ मैं. जरूरी बात कहनी हो, कोई वादा निभाना हो, उसे आवाज देनी हो, उसे वापस बुलाना हो, हमेशा देर कर देता हूं मैं. मदद करनी हो उसकी, यार की ढाढ़स बंधाना हो, ढाढ़स बंधाना कि किसी के दुख में उन्हें दिलासा देना हो. मदद करनी हो उसकी, यार की ढाढ़स बंधाना हो, बहुत देरीना रास्तों पे किसी से मिलने जाना हो, हमेशा देर कर देता हूं मैं.
Dereena is
देरीना इज लॉन्ग लॉस्ट वेज.
okay.
सो किसी बहुत देरीना रास्तों पे किसी से मिलने जाना हो, हमेशा देर कर देता हूं मैं.
बदलते मौसमों की सैर में दिल को लगाना हो, किसी को याद रखना हो, किसी को भूल जाना हो, हमेशा देर कर देता हूँ. किसी को मौत से पहले किसी गम से बचाना हो, हकीकत और थी कुछ, उसको जाके ये बताना हो, हमेशा देर कर देता हूँ मैं.
क्या बात है.
Awesome. And this was a WhatsApp forward I'd gotten long back.
Yeah, I think you had told
Heard
me.
this before, yeah. And then when this thing happened, I said, "Oh, वो एक तो करनी चाहिए, definitely."
Correct. How many people relate to this? I'm sure everyone has किसी ना किसी चीज में हमने कभी ना कभी देरी की है, and I think that regret kind of, you know, because you can't go back and change time, and a lot of us have to live with that regret, and I think he penned that down very nicely. Don't you think so?
Yeah, I mean, yeah. I don't have any regrets. This is perfection right now.
Of course, for those who don't know, Varun Tiwari is perfection personified. And very modest, बहुत ही modest actor और व्यक्ति है वरुण जी.
But I'm sure there's I just
Correct.
think, होती है. There are ups and downs in life, so it's a part and parcel of
Correct.
life. You need to learn from it and move on, and not take things to heart also sometimes. But हमेशा देर कर देता हूँ मैं. By Munir Niazi ji, please go and listen to this guys on YouTube.
Please go and listen to this. Mayank is typing. Someone has asked how much we are getting paid for this. Would you like to answer that?
What? Didn't hear that word.
That how much are we getting paid for this?
Lots, guys. Lots. A lot of love is being transferred. You guys must follow us. We get a few followers. That'll be fun.
We are getting paid in skills of reciting nazm, skills of reading nazm, skills of understanding nazms, and I think that is the most precious gift and
Yeah.
the learning that we can take
A
back.
bit of money here and there wouldn't have harmed, but that's cool.
Like I said, guys, modest.
So, sweet.
But this was a beautiful piece, and I'm sure WhatsApp पे लोगों ने पढ़ा होगा. If it was WhatsApp forward, you know how
I think so.
WhatsApp forward just
That's one of those famous ones that,
Yeah.
that is done to quite a lot.
the
So
next
was a
one
big
that I want to share with everyone, जैसे आपने mention किया था, is आदमी नामा. But before that, I want to say that when I read this, you know, there's so much going on in the world right now. We're all in a lockdown, but apart from that, you know, there's so much news of racism, and there's so much news of I don't know, hate, and you know what's happening in the States, and you know, and this keeps happening time and again, and you're just like, when will things change? You know? And it's going on hundreds of years in almost every country around the world, and you just want things
Some
to change
form of
now.
justice.
And correct. And I read this Nazm, and I was like, you know, this was written by Nazir Akbar Abadi ji, who's also known as the father of Nazms. And
Do you have that? When was
somewhere in the 1800s, I don't have the exact date, but it was written in the 1800s. And you know, if it was written then, it's also a reflection of that time, like we said. And it's so relevant even today. and I just feel that everyone who hears this next one takes away something. And I hope that times also change and things get better. So without further ado, I'd like to share this with you. This is my most favorite. This is my most favorite of the lot. And ये थोड़ी लंबी थी तो मैं पूरी नहीं पढ़ूंगी. अगर आपको पूरी पढ़नी है तो आप please you can go online and search for it. But I've picked up the bits and pieces that are the closest to me, so I can share it with you.
Can you hum this? Can you hum this a little? Because it's
Sure. I will try. सुर में सुनाने की कोशिश करती हूँ. मैं और वरुण गाते भी हैं थोड़ा बहुत.
Plug-in हम करते हैं.
तो हाँ, इधर उधर थोड़ा सा ये भी एक पे ऑफ है. Thanks Mayank. So okay. आदमी नामा. दुनिया में बादशाह है, सो है वो भी आदमी, और मुफलिसो गदा है, सो है वो भी आदमी. जरदार बेनवा है, सो है वो भी आदमी. नेमत जो खा रहा है, सो है वो भी आदमी. टुकड़े चबा रहा है, सो है वो भी आदमी, और मुफलिस हो गदा है, सो है वो भी आदमी. मस्जिद भी आदमी ने बनाई है या मियाँ, बनते हैं आदमी ही इमाम और खुतबा ख्वान, पढ़ते हैं आदमी ही कुरान और नमाजिया, और आदमी ही उनकी चुराते हैं जूतियाँ. जो उनको ताड़ रहा है, सो है वो भी आदमी, और मुफलिस हो गदा है, सो है वो भी आदमी. अशराफ और कमीने से ले शाहता वजीर, ये आदमी ही करता है सब कार्य दिल पजीर. ये आदमी मुरीद है और आदमी ही पीर, अच्छा भी आदमी ही कहता है नज़ीर, और सब में जो बुरा है, सो है वो भी आदमी, और मुफलिस हो गदा है, सो है वो भी आदमी.
Lovely. How we're all
It
humans,
is.
basically. Everybody. You want to tell them what?
मतलब मैं ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि हाँ, I would like to actually explain this piece to you, because इसमें काफी ऐसे words हैं जो शायद हमें नहीं पता होंगे क्या मतलब है इनका. तो यहाँ पे ये बेसिकली नजीर जी यही कहना चाह रहे हैं कि दुनिया में जो बादशाह है, जो मुफलिस व गदा है, यानी जिसके पास पैसा नहीं है, जो गरीब है, जो जरदार बेनवा है, जिसके पास एसेट्स हैं, जो नेमत पे जी रहा है, जो ब्लेसिंग्स पे जी रहा है, जो टुकड़े चबा कर जी रहा है, सब क्या है? आदमी. सब आदमी. जो मस्जिद बनाता है वो भी आदमी, जो इमाम बनता है, जो खुतबा ख्वान बनता है, जो प्रीस बनता है, जो फॉलोअर है, वो भी है आदमी. जो कुरान पढ़ते हैं, नमाजियां पढ़ते हैं, वो भी है आदमी. जो उनकी जूतियां चुराते हैं, वो भी है आदमी. जो उनको ताड़ते हैं, वो भी है आदमी. मुफलिस गदा है, वो भी है आदमी. जो नोबल मैन है. Is it better now? अशराफ और कमीने, नोबल मैन से लेके मीन मैन से लेके शाहता वजीर, जो the minister to the king, all of them are human. That's what he's saying. And He's saying आदमी ही करता है कार्य दिल पजीर, जो दिल को खुश करने वाला है वो भी आदमी है, जो डिसाइपल है, जो मुरीद है और जो पीर है वो भी है आदमी, जो अच्छा कहता है वो भी है आदमी और जो बुरा कहता है वो भी है आदमी. At the end of the day we are all just human, and I think this is the most important message that everyone in the world needs to realize, that there is no discrimination, we are all human, right? And when I read the news nowadays it just makes me so sad. So when I read this I was like, मतलब ये समझ जाए अगर लोग या दुनिया,
सबसे दस को आ रहा है, imagine.
this has the power of changing the way people think, you know.
Hopefully.
And
Human is the message.
hopefully so yes, be human, exactly, that's the message. Be human and respect each other, and we're all equal. That's
If
what
only
it
we
says. Huh? I
if
couldn't
only
hear.
we understood.
Yeah.
Anyway, on that note.
So you asked me what have I been doing in this lockdown. You tell me, what have you been doing in this lockdown? And where are you? You were at your parents, you're in your hometown.
I'm making a lot of cocktails. I'm staying
Correct.
busy, yeah. I honestly thought it's going to be very simple. I thought initially, the lockdown, it doesn't matter, mast hai, chuttiyan hain, ऐश करो. But I'll be very honest, there are days, when you have no energy in your body, and you're like, dude, till 12 o'clock, you're just lazing around on a sofa saying, what the hell has happened? I'm like, kya karu? But that's when you need to, tell yourself, okay, bro, get up, do something constructive, read something, listen to something. I've gotten back to music in a big way. I lost touch with my musical skills per se, but I've got a Casio, which is my father's, so I started playing that. I've been putting up a couple of covers on my Insta stories and my Insta page.
आपने कहा गजलें ज़्यादा सुनते हैं, right? You listen to more ghazals than the Western music, is that right? Why don't you sing something for us? Because ghazals are also correct. Nazms incorporate ghazals also. So please sing us something now. Anything, your favorite ghazal maybe.
Maybe we end the session with that. Yeah. And my father has in fact told me also to sing something, but I didn't prepare the one that he wanted me to. But I'll sing something that I've heard before and that I know towards the end of it.
Correct.
But
ठीक है.
I think we've been reading and we're just staying busy, yeah. Just trying to get through this time one day at a time. And we're all in it together, like we keep saying. So this session is one such thing. If you guys are getting bored, do something constructive. Nazme sun rahe ho aap log yaar. That's wonderful.
No, I hope they're not getting bored, because I mean they shouldn't be. इतने मजेदार लोग हैं हम यार. Come on.
Pretty faces.
We have the perfect human being with us, Mr. Varun Tiwari. And how can we get bored? नहीं, बस नहीं कर सकती मैं. चलो, अब आप कुछ सुनाओ.
The next one is a nazm that has stayed with me for a very long time. In the sense, I wanted to do this nazm, I wanted to read this nazm multiple times or record it or do something with it, but it never happened. Till this thing came along, and the first thing I did was I googled "Wo Kamra Yaad Aata Hai," is it a nazm? And it is a nazm.
Oh, so you had read it not during this time, you read it way before, no?
At Jeff's only, for the showcase and all, I was thinking of doing this, and I found this very relatable and pretty. I thought it was really nice.
वो
And
कमरा
right now, since वो कमरा याद आता है, so अभी lockdown है, हम सब घर पे हैं. I honestly, when I came home, I've never stayed this long with my parents after I moved out, after I started working, and it doesn't feel like home. I mean, I've not set that room. I have a house in Bombay, the flat where I stay. But over these 60 odd days, 70 odd days, it feels like home now towards the end of it, because you connect with your surroundings, I feel somehow. तो ये वही है, ये उस context में नहीं लिखा गया है, but it can be interpreted in this way as well. So, जावेद साहब ने लिखी है, वो कमरा या मैं जब भी जिंदगी की चिलचिलाती धूप में तप कर, मैं जब भी दूसरों के और अपने झूठ से थक कर, मैं सब से लड़के खुद से हार के जब भी उसे कमरे में जाता था, वो हल्के और गहरे कत्थई रंगों का एक कमरा, वो बेहद मेहरबान कमरा जो अपनी मुट्ठी में मुझे ऐसे छुपा लेता था जैसे माँ बच्चे को आंचल में छुपा ले, प्यार से डांटे। ये क्या आदत है, जलती दोपहर में मारे मारे घूमते हो तुम। वो कमरा याद आता है। दबीज और खासा भारी, दबीज स्पेशल, दबीज और खासा भारी, कुछ जरा मुश्किल से खुलने वाला वो शीशम का दरवाजा, कि जैसे कोई अक्खड़ बाप अपने खुरदुरे सीने में शफकत के समंदर छुपाए। शफकत इज अफेक्शन एंड the way we perceive fathers, strong and silent types, they don't indulge emotions too much.
Yeah, they
He's
don't
trying to
usually.
compare
Fathers are usually not that expressive. You know?
true.
So
So he's
please read that
comparing
line for us.
he's
Read that
comparing a
line.
heavy door, दबीज और खासा भारी, कुछ जरा मुश्किल से खुलने वाला वो शीशम का दरवाजा, कि जैसे कोई अक्खड़ बाप अपने खुरदुरे सीने में शफकत के समंदर छुपाए हो। वो
Beautiful.
कुर्सी और उसके साथ वो जुड़वा बहन उसकी, वो दोनों दोस्त थी मेरी। वो एक गुस्ताख मुंहफट आईना जो दिल का अच्छा था, वो बेहंगन सी अलमारी, बेहंगन बदतमीज सी अलमारी जो एक कोने में खड़ी बूढ़ी अन्ना की तरह आईने की तनबीह करती, would keep correcting it, बूढ़ी अन्ना की तरह would keep correcting this आईना again and again। वो एक गुलदान नन्हा सा, बहुत शैतान उन दिनों पे हंसता था। दरीचा, विंडो, या जहानत से भरी एक मुस्कान, नॉलेज, जहानत मीन्स नॉलेज, दरीचा या जहानत से भरी मुस्कान, और दरीचे पर झुकी वो बेल, कोई सब सरगोशी, सरगोशी इज विस्पर, सब्ज इज ग्रीन।
Beautiful.
किताबें ताक में और शेल्फ पर संजीदा उस्तानी बनी बैठी, सीरियस टीचर्स लाइक अ फीमेल टीचर, संजीदा उस्तानी बनी बैठी, मगर सब मुंतजर इस बात से कि मैं उनसे कुछ पूछूं। सिरहाने नींद के साथी, थकान के चरागर, वो नर्म दिल तकिया मैं जिसकी गोद में सर रख के छत को देखता था। This is my favorite line। छत को देखता था, छत की कड़ियों में न जाने कितने अफसानों की कड़ियां थी। When you look up at the roof and the thoughts that go into your mind multiple times। वो छोटी मेज पर और सामने दीवार पर आवेजा तस्वीरें, लटकी हुई तस्वीरें मुझे अपनाइयत और यकीन से देखती थी, मुस्कुराती थी। उन्हें शक भी नहीं था एक दिन मैं उन्हें छोड़ के जाऊंगा।
क्या बात है।
मैं एक दिन यूं भी जाऊंगा कि फिर वापस नहीं आऊंगा। मैं अब जिस घर में रहता हूं वो बहुत ही खूबसूरत है, मैं अब जिस घर में रहता हूं वो बहुत ही खूबसूरत है, मगर अक्सर यहाँ खामोश बैठा याद करता हूँ वो कमरा बात करता था।
अरे 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 beautiful,
है ना? So it's-
beautiful. It's beautiful.
You know, like post links to this IGTV in the end, so that people can go and listen to it on YouTube.
Yeah, if they want to. It's a beautiful Nazam, and it describes so well some you know,
You see,
especially for people.
visualize that room where he sits. You can see that
I'll-
shelf. You can see that.
You can visualize your own room. See, for somebody like me who's lived all her life in one place, I only moved out of home when I was like 2 or 3 years back, and till then I had this one kamra that I've lived in, and that one kamra was my world. And you know, when you were reading it out, I was only thinking of that room that I've grown up in, and now and the last 2 lines की याद आता है कि वो कमरा बात करता था।
And on
मतलब
the
you know,
contrary, I never had a connection with the semblance of home for army kids. I come from an army background. Is zilch. So right now, when this is our permanent residence after Dad's retirement, now
you have that.
Oh yeah.
Now you have that kamra. So is your Bombay kamra your kamra, or is this one where you are at?
I still find my Bombay house.
Yeah, you spend a lot of time
I have.
then. And
So
also
this
you live
is
alone
food
there,
too,
right?
I get
You live
food whenever
alone.
I do. I've shifted into
So you
the
live
studio.
alone, so it must mean different. It must mean something different to you, right? It's your space.
Definitely.
Correct.
Like we said, there's a different interpretation of things.
So these were
That
the how many did we recite? I think 5 or 6 नज़में
Six,
जो
sir.
हमें सबसे yeah, the ones that touch our hearts. And we were reading, we found many, 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 but these were the five that we picked to share with everybody. अगर आप लोगों को कुछ पूछना है, please ask us. We are still not done because I'm not going to leave without making Varun sing. But till then, if there's if there's anything you want to ask us, or if there's any nazm that you want us to read again, if you joined late, we still have time, so we would love to do that. तो आप please comments में.
How would they know what they missed out, Saloni? Like, this is technically incorrect.
Correct. They could just say that we joined late and only heard one or two, so you could read more to us. There are ways, Varun Tiwari ji. So if there's anything that you would like to listen to again, or if you joined really late, then we still have a little time and we would love to recite it again. And तब तक सुनिए वरुण की आवाज.
I'll sing a few lines of this one ghazal that my dad sings a lot, and I don't know it too well. And I wish I'd rehearsed. Thank you for putting me on the spot, Saloni.
You're welcome. Anytime.
Thanks. Jagjit Singh ka hai ye, and it's called Kuch Na Kuch To Zaroor Hona Hai. I know like 4 or 5 lines of it. I'll just hum it for you guys.
Please do.
कुछ ना कुछ तो जरूर होना है, कुछ ना कुछ तो जरूर होना है, सामना आज उनसे होना है, तोड़ो फेंको रखो करो कुछ भी, तोड़ो फेंको रखो करो कुछ भी, दिल हमारा ये क्या खिलौना है, दिल हमारा ये क्या खिलौना है, सामना आज उनसे होना है. आगे भी है थोड़ा बहुत, but
very nice. क्या आवाज है. You sing really well, Varun.
Thanks, man. So do you.
Thanks, man. No, but it was your brother said stop picking on me and start singing. But yeah, correct. I need to meet your brother and say thank you to him personally. But that's the kind of relationship me and Varun has. He picks on me and I let him. Thank you so much, everyone.
This was fun, guys.
This was fun. And please, for sure, tune in. We're giving you a little break. We're leaving you a little early. So that you can take a little break and come back at 6 p.m. for 2 of our really close friends, Sankalp and Priyanka, who will be taking another Nazm session at 6 p.m. And they're fantastic guys.
जो हैं दिल्ली के थिएटर सर्किट के बेताज बादशाह. Then there's Priyanka Arya, who's web shows ki cutie. And
when he's saying cutie, she's the definition of cutie. And you must.
Sankalp's father's an established writer. He's written books, and I'm sure he's going to be reading a few things out of his father's books as well.
Well, he should because his father's an excellent writer. I've read and heard some of his work from Sankalp, and for a very I don't know, is it going to be funny or not? But I'm just, because they have a session by Nitin and Sumer, who are the funniest people I know of, who are also going to be reading out some nazms, I think, after Sankalp and Priyanka, and I would definitely want to see how you can read out such beautiful nazms in the comical way that they talk with comedy. So I don't know how I want to see what that session is going to be about. So thank you, everyone. And
for joining us very much. We hope we entertained you guys.
Yes, we hope we did. You can watch this video on the IGTV link that Mayank will be posting. And thank you so much for joining us. And thank you, Varun, for singing for us, for sharing such nice nazms, and for correcting my pronunciations when we were preparing for this live session. Thanks, Mayank. And
thanks, Mayank. Thanks for having us, man.
Chalo.
Cheers, guys. Have a good time. Stay safe. Haath dhote raho sab log.
Yes, stay safe. Do new things. Please read nazms. I'm sure you will love them. I have fallen in love, and this is going to be my new thing to do. By the way,
Nazim, awesome.
correct.
Let's do
Yeah.
it again.
I might.
And this coming again in a couple of days.
We should, and probably by then I'll try and write something like you did, if I can.
That.
And yeah, I'll take the chance. I'll
That'll be fun.
open
That'll be
my
fun.
yeah, open to criticism. Chalo, see you.
Bye,
Bye
guys.
everyone. Thanks for joining us.
I hope I post
Bye.
this correctly now. Press end and then I do post, correct?
You end it, and I'm sure you'll see a post option at the bottom.
Hoping for it. Mayank has got his fingers crossed. Bye.
Bye. Bye.